this platform officially to tell everybody it's time.
No.
Hello, Ebusia one free yembra one sonny do one trini pray. So Asamoah. I mean it calls for celebration because so be as an obon homos and I say it's no for my bra ninjuma or bass as it obey no what's wa wobun man. Into our Ghana or your former captain yen or your min neighbor, menes door neighbor, our friend Asamoah Gyan. Yes, or that together. Ne football drumezin in our fitting that's one or that be I mean the active footballer wasn't anybody or that be may share the football ne druma and any business as a on train home in film. Inti where conference be one cranende na panel members na washisha ho na when you want Zoom common and did droba na Asamoah Gyan na so ka ho bi na nemu na chere ozibo tu gwade. Oh yeah, na nkofu bisa na Gyan born ebo na day eja ya na de ohun but owo man and bi catcher na day onka day but and the opera offer the ma Queen do not all my Ghana for in a we singing nara was today at the age of 37 why you be so said oh yeah man money in nara why ye wa bono ho mozen Waka Oye, the leading goal scorer of Ghana Black Star ma Abrentian why be papa. Okay, 51 goals are on the form. And a 106 appearance for Ghana Black Star. On national boy Ghana Black Star ma year 2006 16th run year 2 year kwe ye kodui. And I chat Abrentian I be papa or there you to me bun sem yaman in there 20th 23 Tuesday June or the new jumezi ni boots na ni jesse na or that hang na ne retirement no tro bibi kakra na makana bro for kasem officially as I end my speech. Mr. President, Minister of State, members of the board, fellow speakers, nananum nime name, I want to take this great opportunity to a stage that is difficult in every footballer's career. A moment all footballers do not wish, but when nature dawns, the thin voice will keep echoing in your ears. It is time. That's the voice has been clear in my ears now, and I have been contemplating whether to or not to, but it is time to hang my jerseys and boots. And some of our troners in that chair, oh yeah, emotional, but ye she catch brother, abeye bi nimpa beye bi wambe ni na. Nti ya ba fada ma Queen do na Asamoah Gyan ya mawimbo na ejuma obranwara abo aye bi ama oman Ghana. So said a nimpa na kra na no do or yet man Ghana aye ma bro dumpo. Yenyim Ghana yenyim penyina when you was in ye za wo true as but ni name in there me jina Ghana for one name in am srabo ne fatches of fumu zo ye bibio years on ye inara brother me next door neighbor broadcasting ne he na yete me jina Ghana for one name na ma srebo ne fache de require retirement if akoma fita foko ye bokodo ye celebrate you as one of our football legends aye bi e kwani bi anyi wa wo the history of Ghana one for one kan papa aye ni nara enyi za wo football min ye dini nara ye demo wo mani mu zo mpel no awanyi ye legend former captain papa yesanya akoponi nhramo zeze beye biaran omonko enyim sa football no hu adwuma na beye coach na beye yesrawo de obodum pempendu bia baba for Ghana Black Star coach enyim de Ghana for wano ye yeo Asamoah na so manhwe ya no ho sambre no du de Bayer coaching course, net experience. It's a Ghana managing our Africa Cup of Nations World Cup. Me wajiti pade se black coach bi botum zinyana ko e kana ena kamu bi na Ghana Black Star ni team na inyim kata se na azana wagadre ho yanyim de eboma bibiara be yi insuran count ya memo wa honzen na oma wunyin cher 37 obi ba ke de enyin sunyini enyim da abobre ni bia sisi abotuma atene fom na we investment ayempo de wanka edwuma bebre na ebebe masabe nkofo wansa ko wanano at the age of 37 edom bebre na wada no wan we didi you be a wenyi je it is not only about the sporting fraternity but in the football area sini na so bebia entertainment there no to na oye feel na nke David dam na nke Castro Destroyer wo ho a na nke ya bo concert kra mo na utuye pu kakra na aye wana ba kono no pio Asamoah papa ye ni na senka emi so bia na nwa nso za aye mi pa ko rich menwo so za aye papa Gyan abedwuma nkasa ma man Ghana na nambra sunyin that do boots na neji de hang because there is a saying that you leave stage when the applause are high. Sisi and Sembona was sir, hype and was sir, Sembona was sir, papa yada wase from Liberty Professionals a kobo of France, England, Sunderland. It's so Ghana yenenyim menyum nyamba Ghana yenyim adikope UAE Dubai jizin papa ankobo bolu to bia wo ho ko tidwuma me hu de yes ni na na chiri no nyame ni nhia papa ne yede mo Gyan kuko wanyim akokopa amoma ne Ghana nyame show wo wonyama ye na Asamoah. God bless you for what you've done for Ghana. Nyame show baby as a baby nyame ni share no come on ma Gyan and I retain him a strange share be mezimo or from a park to the rich we neighbor nyam or mazna na hwehwem na fidi aba retirement ya mobra peace wana bakana baby jets I star akwano oyimpa niska na mindi bi da bet nwa we di niska na chere Gyan ye yimpa kekeli aya fam kechi ya Gyan ai menyimpa me perasam pa. Okay guys, inti higher fancy YouTube, subscribe to them channel. Mamu so adwuntwa goodwill message e wodze ma Gyan. E wo bibi papa catch na won kwese sam na e be catch na on montro we try me delete. Na ma sana hwe wa roba. Mizina pa to the rich. I'm out of fear. Peace, one love.